Okay, we're here in Rancho, and this is a two-car garage and a duplex type. So, pasok tayo sa loob. So, nakikita nyo naka-grills na yan. Everything has grills na. And, pagpasok mo sa pinto, this is your living room. Ang laki ng living room mo. Sa living room, meron na rin grills yan kasi this is a modern glass house. Then, on this side is your dining space, which is ang laki. Diba? And then, ito naman yung iyong toilet and bath. And then, from this part, meron tayong maliit na storage. And then, in here, nandito tayo sa kitchen. So, in your kitchen, meron na tayong, meron ditong dirty kitchen as well. Yes. So, ito yung space mo pagpasok mo sa loob ng bahay. Then, nagwo-wonder kayo why may hagdanan dito sa taas. It's because sa taas, we have a small roof deck. Small roof deck, and dun sa taas, meron din dun yung maid's room and yung toilet and yung laundry area. So, even in this part, pag akyat mo, nandun yung isang toilet, nandun yung connecta papunta sa third bedrooms. So, we go up. Nakalimutan ko, there's also space in here na pwedeng maging storage mo. Then, punta tayo sa taas. Upstairs, you can see the first room, which is your master's bed. So, wow. Ang daming cabinet. So, meron kang balcony here. Yung balcony mo. Yan. So, yung master's bed mo, nandito rin yung toilet and bath. May sarili siyang toilet and bath. Then, in between, meron tayong may skylight there. Tapos, dito may maliit siyang balcony. Which is, may makikita kang, may space dito para makita yung nasa baba. Tapos, another room, which is another second room. Meron na siyang toilet and bath. Yan. And then, this is your cabinet. So, every room may cabinet siya at saka may toilet and bath. So, the third bedroom, which is your last bed, meron din siyang cabinet. Meron siyang malaking closet here. Your double bed, pwede dyan. Double bed. Then, meron ka rin toilet and bath. So, sabi ko kanina, from baba, pataas. Yan. Meron kang way papunta sa roof deck na maliit. You can also extend this, yung balcony, if ever. Kasi yan. So, ito yung overview ng balcony. So, yung roof deck na ito, maganda rin to. Then, ito yung room. Dito pala yung laundry. Kaabang. Then, this is your maid's room. Tapos, meron din siyang toilet and bath. Baba tayo. So, ang baba nito, ang tagos nito is dun na sa papuntang dirty kitchen. And papuntang dining and living area. Alright?